Want to make a beautiful paper heart in just minutes? Let's get started with this simple origami hack. This DIY project is so easy, and the result will melt hearts, perfect for gifts or just for fun. First, you'll need a square piece of paper. Any color will do, but red or pink works great for a heart. Place your paper flat on a clean surface. We're about to begin the magic of folding. Now, let's dive into the folding process. Follow along closely for the best results. Fold the paper in half diagonally, then unfold it to create a crease. Repeat on the other diagonal. Fold the top two corners down to meet the center crease. This forms the top point of your heart. Flip the paper over. Now fold the bottom edge up to meet the horizontal crease you made earlier. Fold the two side corners inwards, aligning them with the center line. This will start to shape the top curves of the heart. Tuck in the small flaps at the top corners to round out the heart shape even more. This gives it a clean finish. And now for the exciting part, the reveal. Flip your origami creation over, and there you have it, a perfectly shaped paper heart. Congratulations! You've just created a beautiful origami paper heart. Enjoy your creation.